Hello everyone, this is Komal Badi and I welcome you all to my trading review. So today is Monday and I have made around 45 minus 5 in Robinhood account. So it's nearly comes around 40% profit. Yeah, it was a good day for me, but the one profit that in one stock I got around 35% profit, and I say purely it is because of the luck, because I didn't follow many rules. And yes, so I'll just tell you everything about it when explaining why did I do that and everything. So yeah, so let's directly get into my trades. So today I traded three companies. One is HTZ, BIMI, that is BIMI, and CCNC. So first I traded this, that is HTZ. Let me show you like by when did I bought it. So as you can see, this was going high. So it started from 7, and I saw it here. So I bought it and it went up to 3, but because of my greediness, I didn't sell it over there. I waited for it to go to 310, and as you can see, it just came down. So I waited. I didn't cut my loss quickly, and as you can see here at this point, it was having a lot of volatility. So I just sold it here by making like it might be a break even point. So here again I bought it because this was a big green candle coming here. So I bought it. It did went up, but I didn't sell. Again I waited, and it was going sideways. So I thought like might be now it will go consolidate and might go up, but it didn't and went down. So I couldn't accept my loss, and as you can see, I waited for it to go high again, and I waited for it to go high in the pre-market. So in the pre-market, and also once the market opens, I thought like it might spike because of this volume, because of this price action, but it didn't. It just went down in the panic, and I didn't sell it here too. So yeah, so when it just came up slightly, and I sold it there. So yeah, this was not at all a good trade, because as you can see I could have made so much profit, but I didn't, and I waited for it, and I also went into the loss, and still I waited for it to go up. So this was not at all a good trade for me. Yeah, so I was just carrying the support, and the support next became resistance. That's it. So the next stock which I traded was CCNC. So CCNC, as you can see, it is just consolidating, but in pre-market it did had a lot of price action. So as you can see, it was 1.40 and the high is 6. So as you can see, it just spiked. Let me see, when did it start to spike. It started to spike at 7:40, and then just came down. I My scanner trigger like showed me this ticker at this point, so I bought it, and it did went up, but not too much. And I just, even here the same thing, I just waited for it to go high. It was just going sideways, and that's why I just waited for it to go high in the when the market opens. So it did go up slightly, and then it just spiked. So before I sell it, it got halted here at this point, at the first green candle, and then after some time it came out of the halt and it did spike a little bit more. So I sold at that spike, and after that just came down. So here I made around 35% profit. So today most of my profit came from this stock, but I say this was not a good plan, because I could if it would be a good if I would have sold it here and took the profit, but I didn't, and I waited. I actually went into the loss, and I didn't cut my loss quickly. But there was chances like if it would have like went down, then I would have made loss today. So yeah, so even though there is a profit, I'm not happy about this profit, because I didn't go according to the plan, and then according to and according to the rules also. So the next stock which I bought is this BIMI. So BIMI, what happened? It started spiking in the pre-market. So to these days, most of the stocks spike in pre-market, but just fail when the market opens. So I thought like there is a good chance in the pre-market to make profit. Yeah. So it did start to spike at 8:30 and it just went up. I got alerted here and I bought it and I sold it here. But as you can see, it just went up. So this was making another red candle. So as you know, like previously two of my shares I was already in loss at that point, at this point of time. So I didn't wanted one more loss, so I just sold it here. But yeah, so it just like where I have to hold, I'm just selling it, and where I have to sell, and I was holding it. That's what happening. That's what's happening with me in the morning. So yeah, I just sold it here by making 10%. Even this is good because I don't regret this because at least I followed the rules of cutting my losses quickly. I didn't wait a lot, and yeah, it's okay if I left a bit money in my table, but that's good. And yes, so total I made around 45, but 35 plus 10 45, and those were negligible. And in Robinhood I did in Robinhood what happened, it was again spiking. So this thing I missed it, right? So that's why I just wanted to go back in the trade and get that profit back. That's why I just thought like it might spike in the when the market opens. So I was waiting for the dip and I thought like this might be the dip, and I bought it. But immediately it was followed by a red candle. I sold it again I bought it here, but immediately again it was followed by a red candle and I sold it. So here I made around 5% loss, so that's why my total profit comes to 40%. And yes, these were my trades, and I didn't trade anything else other than this. But I would like to tell you that this uh, KXIP, this is spiking. Okay, let me just get that. Which was that? It's KIXP, maybe KIXP. Okay. Wait a second, guys. I forgot the ticker name. I'm so sorry. Okay, KXIN. KXIN. So this, guys, this is the stock which this I regret because actually my husband said me this was going high, and I should have bought this stock at this point because no, I should have bought this here itself, because when it was spiking here we got to know, and it just went sideways later on. So I didn't so my husband alerted me here, but I thought like I'll wait and see, but it was started going sideways. But I missed the point here. I should have bought it here instead of BIMI. And as you can see, it spiked to this. It was 500% up, and there is no news, nothing, just spiking. So yeah, so these were the opportunities which rarely comes, rarely in the sense they come, but we miss the point. So when it is too high, we think that okay, it is too high, might be this is the high, might be, we just go on predicting that this might be the high, this might be the high, and we don't buy it, but eventually it makes a lot more than what we have imagined. So yeah, guys, so these were my trades. And yes, thank you everyone for watching my this video. Thank you.